welcome back. Today we're gonna be playing Among Us. So yeah, I just wanted to get more of more skins, pets in Among Us, and I can't wait cause now the airship map is already here. So I wanted really the hats and the skins and RHM skins. Tomorrow I'm gonna get this card and I'm gonna get like a 100 gift card. So yeah, let's get started right now. I'm so excited for the airship map. Now we have it. I can't believe it. We have the airship map. Why is it working? We gotta have internet. This is a freaking weird glitch. Okay, this is a weird glitch. Guys, this is a glitch. Okay, that was so weird, guys. That was a weird glitch. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, okay, guys. I'm gonna do all of my tasks. I hope it actually works. Wait a minute, guys. Today I'm not doing something about this. We're gonna try to summon a guy, actually named...
Nunca lo vas a dejar ahí que se duerma. Está muy alto. Demasiado alto.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I don't know.
¿De qué? ¿Sopa de qué?
Okay, guys. Right now, I'm in the main hall. And now, I'm going to the shower room. And then record. Okay. I'm going to go to the... Okay. I'm going to try to summon this guy. Named Dummy Zero. If you don't know who's Dummy Zero, he is the actually guy who's white. Yep. I'm gonna try to summon him. Yeah. So first step, I have seen this video how to summon actually Dummy Zero. So what you first gotta do is open these doors. Then just wait until they close. Just stand there like for a few minutes, okay? They're closing, okay? Then open it again. Okay, then wait. So we're just gonna be chilling out with my pet, okay? Yep. There. Now when you go here, it says go back to the gap room. So I gotta go to the gap room. I hope it works, cause I don't know if they're telling the truth or something. Okay, so then it says stand here for like 20 seconds. So I'm gonna count this for 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now what you're gonna try to do is do this. You gotta go back to the cockpit. That's where you're gonna go. So I'm going back to that station. Okay. Okay, I'm almost there, guys. Now I gotta climb. Okay, I think I'm here. I think I am almost here. Now, what? Oh, okay. Okay, and 3, 2. Okay, now what we're gonna do, it says first look at the dummy. Just stare at him. Just stare at him. I'm just waiting. Okay, now you gotta stand to armory, and then you're gonna hear some weird sounds, I think. Okay, I just gotta wait. Okay. Just gonna be chilling with my little buddy. My little helper. My little helper. Wait a minute, I just heard a weird sound. Guys, I just heard a weird sound. If you heard it, comment down below. I just heard a sound. Guys, I'm not lying. I just heard a sound. Oh my god, I gotta go check it. Let's see where it's coming from. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give it a like, and ring the bell button every time I post a brand new video. Thank you guys for watching. So yeah, bye guys. Dang.